You're going to need MySQL Workbench to work in your actual queries and your SQL. It's not needed. You can use the PHP It comes with UAMP, but I prefer this one. It gives you a history that you can recover your queries and stuff. So you go to mysql.com, products, /products /workbench, and in there is download now. Once you click download now, you're just downloading MySQL Workbench, and it is just the standard Windows install if you run Windows, but it comes for Linux and Mac OS and all that also. You don't need the whole package because we don't need everything. We just need the community workbench, which is this download here. Once you click download, it'll ask you to log in. You don't need to. You can click this no thanks, just start my download, and away it'll go. And once you've done that, you can follow our video and set up a connection. Once your connection's in, start creating databases and tables.